Hello fellow hunters. For this next project I'm going to try and build one of those haunted bookshelves where the books move in and out. I've seen lots of videos, I've seen some pictures, but I've never seen anyone actually do a how-to on this, so I'm going to attempt that. First we're going to start out with, I got some books. I got a whole bunch of books today at the thrift store. Got about a dozen of them. I'm going to use my bookshelf that I'm using is 2 feet long. So I got a 2 foot long piece of threaded rod and a 4 foot long piece of aluminum. I'm going to cut that into 8-inch sections to give me 6. So about half of the books will be moving, half the books will be stationary. Anyway, let's get at it. Alright, so I got the aluminum all cut, got holes drilled in them. I use my grinder to round off the ends there so it be a lot more smoother. Got the motor all wired up and got that ready to go. Let's see what's next. Alright, so I got the aluminum bars onto the threaded rod. I have 2 bolts to lock it in, and then a lock washer in between each one of them. That should hold them in place, and I'll get them separated a little differently as soon as I get them mounted into the bookcase. So that's the next step all taken care of. Alright, here's the bookcase I'll be using, and the books in there. I don't know what I'm going to do with the bottom shelf yet. I'm going to put that candle up in this open spot right here. Like that. Just a space filler there, basically. I don't want to put too many books in there because it could get too heavy and just look overcrowded, so I like the way that looks. Alright, got all the piece of wood cut that's going to go on the on this part of the book, so that there's something for the bars to push. It's got done cutting those. I think I'm going to use duct tape for right now. I don't know if I want to glue them up, ruin the book, so I'm just going to duct tape them, see how that works out. Okay, so I put little blocks down here on the books that aren't moving, the stationary books as well. And my idea is to secure them with a wood strip across the back. Hope that works out. We'll see. Alright, there's the bracket, I guess, for lack of a better word, that the books are going to sit in. I spray painted the end black, so it's sort of like a shelf in a shelf that the books will be able to nest in. Okay, so there's all the books all secured into there, all the stationary books. You can see that very well there. All secured into their positions. I have a little test rod up here to test that one, but I don't have the spring on yet. But let's have a go at it and see what it looks like. Okay, like I said, there's no spring on it yet, but it is looking like I want it to. Alright, so far so good. And here's what it looks like on the back side. So yeah, that's it so far. Let me know what you think.